everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Look at the baby bulk box. I got this. It's a mystery box. Let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so why do I have a baby bulk box? Well, I got this email saying that I was going to get a mini bulk box, and so I have a mini bulk box. I have no idea what's inside, but isn't it cute? It's like a little baby. Just rock the little baby. Okay. All right, let's get into it and see what's actually in here. I have no idea. As you know, I open lots of bulk boxes, so we're going to definitely see what all is in this one. Oh man, look at that. This is Scotch Flexible Shipping Roll. So it's, what is this? It's one roll. Oh, it's like bubble wrap. So if I have like a square thing, I can just stick it in there and it's perfect size, basically envelopes. I can make my own size envelopes with this. That's awesome. So shipping material, perfect. I did not pay any money for this. That's the cool thing. It was free. Ooh, got me some bulk swag. Look at that. Bulk swag.
What size is it?
That is a extra large.
What are they trying to say?
Did you ask what are they trying to say? I don't know. That I need a sleep shirt? What's this one? This one is a large. This one's my size. So you get that one, Paul. I get this one. Okay? All right, what else is in here? Ooh, it's a fancy box that says Crown. All righty. Ready? What is it? Looks important. Little pedestal. What does this one say? Ooh, it's like a little award. All right, ready? Guess this goes like this. Yes. Bulk Unboxing Awards 2019 presented to Hooked on Pickin for the top 5 most watched bulk unboxing videos. Hey, this is an award because of you guys, because you guys watch all my unboxing videos. That's awesome. That's awesome. What else is in here? Oh, sweet. Look, it's basically a portrait box for like little jewelry and stuff. This thing is usually lit, and then it's like a little white or black. Let me see, 6 colors. Black, white, orange, blue, red, and green. I had a really super cheap one that kept falling apart. It's actually sitting over in the corner like smushed to death. That I never used because it kept falling apart. So this one is much nicer. So LED portable photo studio. Awesome. I'm totally going to use this. What else? Oh, look. It's an award. Congratulations, Heather. What does it say? Out of the nearly 300 bulk unboxing videos uploaded in 2019, yours is one of the top 5 most watched. To recognize this achievement, we'd like to name you one of the year's bulk unboxing award winners. We loved watching you think outside the box as you grow your business and hope these reselling tools and resources will set you up for 2020 success. Keep up the hustle. Cheers, the bulk team. That's awesome. It's all stuff I can use. I'll have to display my beautiful bulk award. All thanks to you guys for watching my bulk unboxing videos. I know you guys love them. So this was super fun. I didn't pay anything for it. And to have a cute little baby bulk box. And lots of blue bulk confetti. See? Lots of blue bulk confetti. So that's amazing. So I got all of this stuff for free just because you guys watch all of my bulk unboxing videos. So keep up the good work, subscribers, because you guys are amazing. Tell all your friends so I can get this again next year for 2020. So that's been really fun. So I hope you enjoyed my mini baby box unbulking. Unbulking. We should just call it unbulking. Unboxing of my mini baby bulk box. Thanks so much, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. I'd like to thank the YouTube Academy for this beautiful award that I've received because you all watch. Thanks so much. I'd love it if you'd watch more of my videos. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. And of course, if you want all the cool stuff I unbox, check out hookedonpickin.com.